Hey, what's up guys? In this video I am going to take a deep dive into some of the best watch face features that Samsung has launched as part of the latest Galaxy Watch 4 update. I've already covered that update in a separate video, and if you want to watch it, I will link it in the description below, so you can watch it after this one. But make sure to watch this video till the end, as I will be explaining how you can breathe new life into some of the most boring watch faces on your Galaxy Watch 4. So let's get started. In the update that I have received, there is one new watch face only, and it's called Ball. It's a multicolor analog watch face without any complications. While the original look is really cool, you can go in customization settings and play around with its background colors. You can also change the hand color as well as the second hand color. It's a simple watch face that really doesn't do much and depends entirely on whether you like it or not. Next, Samsung in its update says that new digital clock fonts and additional colors are also part of this update. So now let's see what that is all about. Not every watch face has been treated equally here. Some of the watch faces have received new colors, while others have gotten new fonts. So for example, if we look at this digital dashboard watch face, you can go in the customization settings, and here you will get some pre-made watch faces with different color combinations. But the real fun starts when you go over to the clock type. And here you will find all the new fonts that have been added to these watch faces. I specifically like this one because it gives a very funky look and feel to the watch face, and see how just changing the font gives a fresh look to an apparently boring looking watch face. Next, you can go in Complication Colors, and now you can actually choose the combination of two colors here. Once you're happy with all the settings, just press save and the watch face will be updated on the watch. Similarly, you will find new color combinations and multicolor schemes in other watch faces as well, like active and big number. Moving on, the live wallpaper watch face now features live wallpapers from Galaxy S22 Ultra, and also features several different font and clock types, which once again gives it a fresh look. And now I want to mention two of the most boring watch faces in this catalog that you can brighten up and even consider setting as a watch face. And these two watch faces are basic dashboard and drumming clock. In their customization settings, you can change only two things: the background color and font color. But now you can see here that you can set a background with a combination of two colors, and doing that alone freshen up the watch face. But you can also change the font color to your liking and go full on with these customization options. Same is the case for basic dashboard watch face. But here, instead of two color combinations, you have the option of three color combinations. And once again, this allows you to turn a seemingly boring watch face into a much funkier option for your watch. So these are some of the updates that I have come across in the watch faces section. If you have noticed any new changes and updates that I have missed, let us all know in the comment section below, guys. That's about it from this video, guys. I hope you have learned something new here, and this will help you get the most out of your Galaxy Watch 4. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.